We all know there's stationery and then there's stationery, the well thought out, elegant, branded kind. And that's what we see with the Frau Netzwerkt. Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lenz, the founder of Paper Specs, with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. During her rise to becoming the first female manager of an event staging agency in Germany, Semra Eryilmaz discovered firsthand the dramatic difference between the way men network, looking for information, and the way women do, trying to build strong relationships. She started her business club, Frau Netzwerkt, or Women Are Networking, to teach women through workshops, networking events, and mentorship programs how to use their natural strengths to their best advantage. The visual identity and stationery that Dennis Whitman Design Studio designed and printed for the club elegantly captures this concept of professionalism through femininity. Let's start with the Gmund Colors Envelope, which is a very close match to Frau Netzwerkt's brand color. It arrives with a round Gmund Label sticker that has been blind embossed with the network's logotype. The super tall emboss, hand embossed by Semra herself using a desk-embosser, provides a strong tactile element without distracting from the cool sophistication of the envelope. And speaking of tactile treats, why does this envelope feel so thick and substantial? Because inside is a chunky note card, a letterpress printed with the network's brand color. As you've probably guessed, it is actually 2 sheets Gmund cotton linen cream, duplex laminated together. The softness of the sheet combined with the substantial nature once again reinforces the brand's dedication to female empowerment. The business card too is made from duplex laminated Gmund cotton linen cream. In addition to making it the same thickness as the note card, it also allows each side of the business card to have a nice deep letterpress impression without having to worry about the inevitable bruising that would be seen on the back of each sheet. The matching A4 size letterhead is soft and tactile with Frau Netzwerkt's logo and contact details letterpress printed. Last but not least, we finally come to my favorite part of this branding suite, because I am an avid reader myself. You see, since part of the network's mission is to keep women well-informed and inspired, its website presents book recommendations. And what better way to keep your place in an inspiring read than with a letterpress printed bookmark, complete with a tassel that matches the brand color. Not only is it a pleasure to see and feel elegant branded stationery these days, but seeing stationery that is so well thought out and on brand tells the recipients they're in the presence of something special. Consider this, Frau? Very impressed. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel. Of course, it would be amazing if you shared with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.